Sawblade.com is pushing the limits of design, innovation, and durability with our bandsaw upgrade guide kits. I'm Celeste, and this is the Grizzly 16-inch pre-1993 with 7/8-inch step post upgrade guide kit. Raise the bar on what your machine is capable of, master those difficult, intricate cuts, and get the dependability and support you need to take on any project. This is the dynamic, easy-to-install, economical solution you've been searching for. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of solid, high-grade aluminum and utilizes performance-sealed ball bearings. With this specific Grizzly kit, it's vital to measure the upper post before ordering to ensure that you choose the appropriate kit. This specific kit is designed for 7/8 of an inch straight post machines. To ensure proper fitment, remove the lower portion of the upper guide mounting bracket to check if the post is turned to 7/8 of an inch at the mount. Our triple bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with 2 front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All 3 of these bearings are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy in a variety of band widths. This heavy-duty guide kit is adjustable for blades 3/16 of an inch to 1 inch and comes complete with upper and lower guide blocks, mounting brackets, mounting studs, and trio block precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your Grizzly aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, please check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching. And for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.